Welcome to Goyum. 80 ton per day multi-seed oil mill plant with soybean extruder is installed in Ethiopia by Goyum. Our journey begins at the seed cleaning section, which effectively removes debris, sand, metals, stones, and heavy impurities. Next, the cleaned seeds are disintegrated to enhance conditioning efficiency. As you can see, this project features seed cookers above each press and soya extruders in front, ensuring seamless multi-seed processing. We have a proven combination of 4 pairs of extruders and all-steel Goyum 150 oil presses, well tested in the Ethiopian market. A vibro separator pre-cleans the oil, while the sludge conveyor recycles the foods back into the system. The pre-cleaned oil is then subjected to final filtration before storage. The pressed cake is ground using a hammer mill and cooled with a meal cooler. The powdered, cooled cake is packed using an automatic weighing, bagging and stitching system. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get new video updates.